Units in chemistry. Chemistry is a quantitative science that requires precise measurement of various physical and chemical properties. In chemistry, we use a variety of units to measure these properties, including length, mass, volume, time, temperature, pressure, and concentration. Metric system. The metric system is the standard system of measurement used in chemistry. It is based on units of 10 and is widely used throughout the world. The metric system includes units for length, meter, mass, gram, volume, liter, time, second, and temperature, Kelvin. The prefixes of the metric system, such as milli, centi, and kilo, allow us to express quantities that are too small or too large for convenient use of the base units. International System of Units, C. The International System of Units, C, is the modern form of the metric system and is used globally in scientific research and communication. It includes the same base units as the metric system and uses prefixes such as nano, micro, and mega to express quantities that are too small or too large for convenient use of the base units. In addition, the C includes units for electric current, ampere, luminous intensity, candela, and amount of substance, mole. Temperature units. Temperature is an essential property in chemistry and can be measured using various units, including Celsius, degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin, K. Celsius and Fahrenheit are both based on the freezing and boiling points of water at sea level. Kelvin, on the other hand, is based on the absolute zero point, the temperature at which all molecular motion stops. The temperature at which all molecular motion stops. Pressure units. Pressure is another important property in chemistry and can be measured using various units, including pascals, Pa, atmospheres, atm, and millimeters of mercury, mmHg. Pressure is defined as the force exerted per unit area and is influenced by factors such as temperature, volume, and the number of particles in a system. Concentration units. Concentration is a measure of the amount of a substance present in a given volume or mass of a solution. It can be expressed in units such as molarity, mole/L, mole fraction, moles of solute/moles of solution, and mass percentage, mass of solute/mass of solution x 100%. Applications of units in chemistry. The precise measurement of physical and chemical properties using units is critical in various areas of chemistry. The precise measurement of physical and chemical properties using units is critical in various areas of chemistry, including chemical analysis, materials science, and drug development. Accurate measurement of these properties allows us to design and synthesize new materials,